Happy holidays, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Whether you're in the festive mood to decorate or not, considering all things COVID, I find that decorating your home for the holidays instantly lifts your spirits and puts you in a better mood. There's no need to do a whole lot. Just a few simple moves could bring great holiday cheer to your corner of the world. I'll be doing things a little different this year. Instead of showing you how I'm decorating my own home, I want to instead share gorgeous interiors from all different types of Christmas and holiday decor. Whether your style is simple, minimal, Scandinavian, all-out glam, colorful, Winter Wonderland, rustic, modern, chic, or moody, I'll be breaking down the details of each type of style to show you the key elements you should look for when decorating for the holidays or Christmas. I want you to think of creative ways to repurpose what you already have in your home from holidays past. That way, when you run out to your nearest store or you're ordering online, you're really just looking for those key pieces to fill the gaps in and finish your holiday look. Let's start with the minimalist look. This look is all about evergreen, pine cones. It's pretty monochromatic, except that greenery is the dominant color, accented with metallics. It's really aesthetics driven with strategic candles, heavy textures. Even the Christmas tree could be left bare with maybe some twinkling lights. Moving on to natural and cozy. Think natural woods, bead garlands, flock trees. It's still minimal but elevated with all the earth tones and cabin vibes. I like to call this look chalet chic. All the texture comes from faux furs and sheepskin rugs. But if you're in the desert versus the mountain, try linen tablecloths, cactus centerpieces, and terracotta earth tones to bring in the warmth of the holidays. Let's move on to traditional and rustic, what classic Christmases are made of. Think plaids and tartan, a red and green and white color palette, Christmas quilts, berry garlands, star tree toppers, wooden nutcrackers, gold reindeer, basically all the bells and whistles when you think of a classic Christmas vibe. If your style is pretty neutral all year round, think about injecting some of that fun color come Christmas. The colorful Christmas vibe is all about a monochromatic Christmas in a dominant color. Think all purple, all blues, all greens, all pink. Black is trending big time this holiday 2020. With black Christmas trees, metallic trimmings, this look is all about gothic glam. That transitions us right into a maximalist glam Winter Wonderland vibe. In this case, more is more. Every square inch of space is covered with Christmas. Block trees, more ornaments than there are branches, feathers and ribbons and snowflakes, and giant life-size nutcrackers and decor. Basically like you stepped into a Christmas tree boutique and bought the entire floor sample. The holidays are a perfect time for you to be a maximalist, in my opinion. This is the time of year that no one is going to judge you for being too gaudy. Next, we have modern and chic. This style lends way to the sculptural furniture and decor elements you already have in your space, except that it's amped up with strategic holiday decor in the same tonal colors. You're not diverting too much from your style, just adding candlelight, some festive greenery, maybe even dressing your tabletop with a high contrast table setting and brass accessories. Lastly, we have dark and moody. This is my favorite of the bunch. I really love a dark and moody space. Dark colors calm me and help me feel more relaxed, especially during the holiday frenzy. Paired with a faint glow of candlelight and twinkling Christmas trees, it's the perfect recipe for how I'm feeling this holiday season. But if you can't decide on just one style this holiday, you don't have to choose. I started decorating pretty early this year. About 2 weeks before Thanksgiving, I hightailed it to my nearest store to look for a brand new Christmas tree. In the years past, I've had flocked Christmas trees, a gold Christmas tree. I've never had a traditional green Christmas tree in this home. I was shopping online for a green Christmas tree, and lo and behold, I found my perfect one at Walmart. I started busting out all of the old holiday decor, and I wanted to reuse, old ornaments in my typical silver, white, gold theme. As I was decorating the tree, I found a box of really old ornaments that I haven't used for maybe about 10 years now. There are these really whimsical gold and red and black dragonflies and butterflies, and I didn't have anything else to match it. So with Kamari and my assistant in tow, we ran over to Home Goods. I literally had them sitting in the car, and I ran in to look for ornaments. I was probably in there for about 15 minutes. I went straight to the ornament section, and I really was just looking for anything that would match the ornaments that I already had. I found these really beautiful hand-painted Rachel Zoe ornaments. It had this frosted pink enamel on it with hand-painted flowers and gold glitter, and I thought along with red ornaments, this would be so spectacular with the ornaments that I already had. I found red filler ornaments that picked up some of the color from the pink pieces, and I really just went with that theme. My advice? Don't overthink the holidays. Really don't overthink design and decor in that matter. Go with your gut and listen to your visceral reaction when you're out shopping for design elements. If you loved it in store or online, you will surely love it in your own home. Since I couldn't decide what to do with my tree, I opted for both a classic metallic and white theme and a whimsical red and pink version. Who says you have to decide on just one? Do both if you love a mix of styles. Bonus points for a spinning tree that lets me enjoy two totally different holiday themes according to my mood. That's it for today's holiday decor video. I hope you're inspired to deck your halls just a little bit this holiday season. I, for one, was really desperate to decorate this holiday season and bring some merriment back into my home. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this type of holiday content, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know how you're decorating your home for the holidays. Be sure to share this video with anyone you know who needs some holiday decor tips, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Stay safe and healthy, friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.